Do you want to know how to make peach ice cream in a very simple way? Let me to tell you the most important and the better way to do so. Here are some ways you can follow to make delicious and tasty peach ice cream. Ingredients: 2 cups half cream, 31/2 cups sugar, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 6 eggs, lightly beaten, 4 cups heavy whipping cream, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 6 to 8 medium peaches, peeled and sliced, or 4 cups frozen and sweetened peach slices. If you want to make delicious peach ice cream, you should follow the following steps. 1. In a large saucepan, heat half to 175. Stir in the sugar and salt until dissolved. Whisk a small amount of hot cream mixture into the eggs. Return all to the pan, whisking constantly. Cook and stir over low heat until the mixture reaches at least 160 and coats the back of a metal spoon to remove from the heat. Cool quickly by placing pan in a bowl of ice water. Stir for 2 minutes. Stir in whipping cream and vanilla. Press plastic wrap onto surface of custard. Refrigerate for several hours or overnight. 3. Place peaches in a blender, cover and process until pureed. Stir into the custard. Fill cylinder of ice cream freezer 2/3 full. Freeze according to manufacturer's directions. 4. Refrigerate remaining mixture until ready to freeze, stirring before freezing each batch. Allow to ripen in ice cream freezer or firm up in the refrigerator freezer for 24 hours before serving. Yield about 3 quarts. I hope you enjoyed watching the video about how to make peach ice cream. Subscribe to our channel and learn more about new things. Thanks for watching video. Subscribe, comments, like and share. Thank you.